Create a square file. My file is 1080 by 1080 pixels. Go to View, Guides, New Guide Layout. Create 2 columns and 4 rows. The gutter should be 0 pixels. Select the pen tool. Select Shape. Pick a fill color. This can be any color you want. Select No Color for the stroke. Create 2 shapes like these. Create a new layer. Change the fill color. Again, this can be any color you want. Create 2 shapes like these. Go to Edit. Define pattern. Create a pattern layer. Select the pattern you just made. Then adjust the scale. And that's how you create this cube pattern.